Testing the carbon dioxide. So how to make sure that the gas we've obtained is a carbon dioxide gas. And what are the tests used? Carbon dioxide turns lime water, which is the calcium hydroxide solution, milky. It's very important to know that carbon dioxide turns lime water milky, of a white color. It reacts to give a white precipitate of calcium carbonate. A reaction occurs between carbon dioxide and lime water to give a white precipitate, which is calcium carbonate. The reaction is calcium hydroxide reacts with carbon dioxide to give calcium carbonate plus water. Calcium carbonate is the white precipitate here. If you look here in the first tube, we have lime water, and we've added carbon dioxide to it. Notice how the water turned white. With an excess of carbon dioxide, the precipitate dissolves again to give a colorless solution of calcium hydrogen carbonate. They're saying if we put excess carbon dioxide in the second tube, the white precipitate obtained will turn back into a colorless solution called calcium hydrogen carbonate. As you can see in the third tube, when we added excess carbon dioxide, the solution turned back into colorless. The reaction is calcium carbonate reacts with carbon dioxide plus water to give the calcium hydrogen carbonate. So this is how to make sure that the gas we have is a carbon dioxide gas.